our good friend Gray from Washington State in the United States. He sent us this package back in November 16. He mailed it from the US, and we finally got it. And it's now February 16. And here's the package. Show the package, babe. And now Dazzle is gonna open the box, unboxing of the package that our good friend Gray sent us.
Thanks, Gray.
Excuse me.
And there's
And here's Chloe. She's always curious on what we're doing.
she wants the box.
She wants the box. That's right. She likes sitting inside boxes. That's one of her favorite things to do.
It's my first time opening a box.
Oh, really? First time?
Yep.
All right. First time opening a box. Wow.
Yay!
Yay.
Oh my god. Chocolate.
Chocolate. Let me see, babe. Let's and it's a box of chocolates
Ooh, yeah, baby.
made in Belgium. Oh, look, it's
It's cute. Look at this.
milk
The
chocolate. Milk
Wait,
chocolate.
it's
All right.
cute, isn't it?
Moonstruck.
Yeah.
Of course, everybody knows
Ooh.
Dazzle is a chocoholic.
Is this for the wine?
What is that? Get Blitz.
Is it for the wine?
Bottle opener. Yep, it's a wine opener.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dark chocolate biscuits from Swiss dark chocolate.
Oh wow. Look at this.
This is cute. This is cute. This is a cookie squares.
Oh.
Milk chocolate melty caramel.
Oh, there's Santa.
Oh yeah, because it was supposed to be for Christmas, but it doesn't matter. It'll get eaten by
Yeah.
Dazzle.
For sure.
I'm not gonna be eating any of these chocolates because I'm laying off the sugar.
I love it, right?
Milk. You got Choco Love, milk chocolate.
Yeah.
Got a lot of chocolates,
Ooh,
babe.
babe,
I'll
look at
leave all the
this.
chocolates for you.
Yeah.
Hello Panda
Thanks,
chocolate center cream center with crunchy shell. All right.
Oh yeah. Listen.
Oh yeah, just put it in there. It just opened, no biggie. Oh, this is the one. Dazzle, she's never had chocolate
Yeah.
with liqueur in it. So these are chocolate liqueurs. It's got liquor in it. So.
I saw that SNR.
Oh yeah, you saw that answer, but you've never had it.
Hello, Panda.
Another panda, but she's never had it.
Hershey's.
The Hershey Symphony.
Yeah.
All right,
This.
you got a lot of chocolates, baby.
Oh, like this. It's cute.
It's the star.
Wow, this is a huge one.
That's a huge box, and it's it's got. This is probably like from Korea.
Korea.
Yeah, it looks like Korea. Oh, it's from Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Chocolate. All right.
Whoa, what's this? I think this is for you, baby.
I think that's the surprise. Gray said he had a surprise for me.
Whoa.
At first, I didn't know what this was. I was like, what is this contraption? I wasn't sure what it was. So I looked in the box and I found the brochure. It is a heated neck and shoulder massager. It's heated, babe. So I've never seen anything like it. Thank you very much, Gray. This is awesome. I'm like, I love gadgets, and this is gonna be perfect for
Massage.
massage.
You like
So it's like, I
massage.
like massage.
Yeah.
This will really relax me.
You like massages, right?
I know. This is like awesome, and it's heated.
I know.
I've never seen a heated neck and shoulder massager. I'm gonna try it out tonight.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, brother. Appreciate it. And
great.
Dazzle's got all the other chocolates. Oh, this is a
Tea?
tea, Republic of Tea, chamomile, lemon balm, and lavender tea.
Nice.
Nice. And this is a triple chocolate hazelnut. And of course, Dazzle's gonna eat this. I'm not gonna have any of these because I'm giving up sugar. And this is, what is this? It's called the Goodnight Pure Essential Oils. Aromatherapy for relaxing. Oh, this is mine. I need all the relaxing.
Ayun na.
I need to relax. Same with his, a lavender pure essential oil. This is awesome. Oh, it fell. The oil fell.
More chocolate.
Epsom salt. Epsom salt.
Oh no, soap.
Yeah, this is used in a bathtub.
Oh nice.
When you go bathtub, you put Epsom salt in the bathtub. More relaxing.
More relax. Dude, you need to relax.
I need to relax. A chocolate. Oh, this is cool. It's
it's a video game.
Game controller chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah,
I've
that's
never seen
cute.
anything like that. Seen anything like that.
Yeah, me too.
And this is a Jin bonbon. I don't know what this is. The ginger people.
Ginger?
Probably like ginger
I like
candy.
ginger.
Ginger candy.
I like this.
And then you got these coins, these chocolate coins. You got all these chocolate. Man, this is amazing. Thank you very much, Gray.
Yes.
Dazzle's gonna have a field day with all this candy and chocolates that you sent her. And I'm gonna love my electric heated massager. Perfect.
Massage.
Appreciate it, brother. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you in our next video.